Take command of the road in the 2012 Chevrolet Equinox. It features an automatic transmission, all-wheel drive, and a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include remote keyless entry, a rear window wiper, a trip computer, fully automatic headlights, and a split-folding rear seat. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, a security system, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.